Hey, this is Chris Pideaux with Berwyn United Methodist Church, and we're here at Snow Camp, Teen Quest Ranch at the Snow Camp here, and we've had an amazing time. I brought several of my guys from the church, and I had no idea what to expect. It started the adventure went on the way here about the last mile, and as all the guys were getting pumped up and excited, it's been basically nothing but a lot of fun, excitement, and energy. And I got some ADD kids, so it's definitely difficult to keep them engaged and keep their attention. And people here at Snow Camp have done, Teen Quest has done an amazing job keeping them engaged, keeping them having fun, contests, prizes, and just all kind of craziness constantly. Games have been amazing. I never even knew so many snow games existed. A lot of fun, a lot of fun, a lot of fun. I would encourage it to anyone to come out here. The spiritual side of things was also amazing. They had a great speaker, guy with great heart, has a great ability to engage and connect with kids. Saw a lot of lives changed in just a short period of time, and even within my own camp with my guys too. So I would encourage this to anyone. It was wonderful.